Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can turn on notification for Google Classroom on your mobile device. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can manage notifications on your Google Classroom. So guys, it's very easy to do. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow this channel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, there are three categories of notifications you can set up on your Google Classroom. The first one is on your device. You can choose which notifications you will get on your device on your mobile phone. The second category is email notification. You can choose which notification you will get by emails. The third category is your classes. You can choose which classes you will get notified about. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can turn on notifications on all of these categories. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to tap on your Google Classroom app to open it. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, once you open up the Google Classroom app, what you have to do next now is to tap on the three horizontal bar at the top left corner. You can see there the menu icon, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, what you have to do next is to scroll upwards. So let me scroll upwards. So guys, what you have to do next now is to tap on where you can see settings. You can see the settings icon down there. The arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, under the settings, what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see notifications. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see under the notifications, you can see we have three categories like I said, on the device, email and your classes. So guys, now let's start with the first one, which is on this device. So let's tap on it now to see what is there. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see what is written here, show notifications. So guys, you can see on the right hand side where the arrow is pointing at, you can see that that feature is not turned on. You can see it has been toggled off. So guys, now for you to turn on notifications on this your device, what you have to do is to toggle it on. So guys, you can see where the arrow is pointing at. So guys, let me get to read what is written here. You can see, at your request, Android is blocking these apps notifications from appearing on this device. So guys can see that's because of this show notifications on this device is not on. So guys, you have to turn it on. So guys, let me turn it on. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. Wow guys, can now see I've been able now to turn on notification for all the Google Classroom accounts that I have in this device. You can see all notifications has been turned on. You can see, let me keep scrolling down. So guys, this is how you can actually do it. Now I can now receive notifications from every activity going on Google Classroom. I'll receive comments on my post. I'll receive due date reminders for my work. I'll receive private comments on my work. I'll receive comments that mention me. I will also receive notification for work and other posts from other teachers. So guys, I'll also receive notification for returned work and grades from my teachers. So guys can see. So guys, now let me go back now to turn on notification for other categories. Let me go back now. So guys, now let's go over to the email category. Let me tap on it right away. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see under these email notifications, you can see what is written there. These settings only apply to the notifications you get by email. So guys can see allow email notifications. So guys can see that this feature is not turned on, it's actually toggled off. That's why you cannot get email notifications. So guys, if you want to get email notifications from your Google Classroom, what you have to do now is to toggle it on. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. So let me toggle it on now. Let me turn it on right away. So guys, now you can see it's loading. It's going to turn it on now. Notifications for email has been turned on. Wow guys, can see I can now receive comments on my post, comment that mention me, private comment on my work. I can also receive notification on classes that I've enrolled in. I can also receive notification for classes which I teach. So guys, now you can see I've been able now to turn on email notifications for Google Classroom. So guys, let me go back now over to the third categories. So guys, now you can see the third category right there. The arrow is pointing at it. That's your classes. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see what is written under this class notifications. These settings apply to notifications you get both by email and on this device. So guys, now for you to receive class notifications on this class that you've joined or created, what you have to do now is to toggle on all this feature. You can see where the arrows are pointing. You have to toggle on that feature for each of the class. So guys can see they are toggled off, they are turned off. So let me turn it on right away. Let me tap on it, the first one. So guys, now you can see I've turned on class notification for the first class. So let me go over to the second class. Let me toggle it on right away. So guys, now you can see it has been turned on. Then let me do that for the last class as well. Let me toggle it on. Wow guys, can now see now I've been able now to turn on class notification for all my classes. So guys, now this I can be able to turn on notification for all of these categories that I've mentioned to you guys. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how I can turn on notification on Google Classroom. So guys, I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release new videos like this one, you're gonna get notified. See you on the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.